Hello, I'm John Butler and I've been using medical hypnotherapy for over 40 years. I've successfully used it in a wide variety of medical applications, including for surgical hypnoanesthesia and for many stress-related and psychosomatic problems. In this special one-day course, I'll be showing you how, through powerful and effective methods, to activate the power of the subconscious mind, to alleviate many symptoms of illnesses, including controlling pain and along with assisting healing. There is a great and increasing demand for this service as advances in technology mean that clients can, from their own home, monitor their conditions and with your assistance, boost their health and wellness. I'm looking forward to sharing with you the most effective methods and techniques of medical hypnotherapy developed through many years of intensive clinical practice. The ACHE conference is a wonderful event and the program for 2024 is very exciting. Please register now and I look forward to seeing you at the conference.